Which outdoor motion sensor light is actually good? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit to get the answer. Today, we're breaking it down so you can find the perfect fit for your home security needs. Product number 1, Defino Solar Lights. First up, we have the Defino 2500 LM solar lights. This caught my eye with its impressive 2,500 lumen brightness and a price tag of just $18.99. If you want ultra-bright, energy-efficient lighting for your outdoor spaces, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 156 high-efficiency LEDs provide a bright 6,500 K daylight, which means you can easily see if someone's approaching your home. The 270 degrees wide-angle coverage and a motion detection range of 40 feet really enhance your security, illuminating your driveway or backyard the moment someone steps into the area. Plus, it's waterproof with an IP65 rating, so you won't have to worry about it in rainy weather. With over 6,200 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating, it's no surprise this has been a bestseller. Now, some people complained about the installation needing to be at a specific height for the motion sensor to work optimally. Here's the thing though, if you follow the guidelines, you should have no issues. It's a small detail for such a fantastic light. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable, bright option for your home without spending a fortune. Skip this one if you want something that you can control remotely, as it's all manual. Now, if Defino's specific height requirement bothered you, the next product takes a different approach. Product number 2, Mihani Solar Floodlights. Next up, we have the Mihani Solar Floodlights, also priced at $18.99. These lights are designed for maximum coverage with 270 degrees illumination. If you're looking for something that provides all-around lighting, this one's worth checking out. The built-in PR sensor detects movement up to 30 feet away, instantly lighting up your yard or patio. The bright 2,500 lumens at 6,500 K color temperature make it perfect for spotting anything unusual at night. Plus, the upgraded tempered glass solar panel has a 30% higher energy conversion rate compared to standard options, meaning less hassle and brighter lights for longer. It's a great choice for outdoor security, backed by over 10,800 reviews and a strong 4.4-star rating. Now, some users found the installation instructions a bit confusing. Here's the deal. Once you get it up and running, the performance is solid, so it's worth a minor hassle. This is a great option if you want reliable, bright lighting for your property without complicated setup. Skip this one if you need a very specific design or remote control features. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those needing extensive illumination. Product number 3, Aatec Motion Sensor Lights. Coming in third, we have the Aatec New Solar Motion Sensor Lights, which are a fantastic deal at $18.99 for a pack of 6. If you're looking for quantity and quality, this is definitely worth your attention. These lights feature 3 modes, including a motion sensor mode that activates bright lighting for 15 seconds when movement is detected. With 800 lumens of brightness and a 270 degrees wide angle, they provide ample lighting for steps, patios, or gardens. The IP65 waterproof rating ensures they won't falter in tough weather conditions, and with over 54,500 reviews and a 4.4-star rating, they're proven performers. Some users mentioned that the lights can be too dim in permanent mode. Here's the thing. For security purposes, the motion-activated feature is going to be your best bet, keeping your outdoor space well-lit only when necessary. This is perfect for you if you need multiple lights around your property at an affordable price. Skip this if you're looking for high-end features or very high brightness for larger areas. Now, if Aatec's brightness in permanent mode isn't what you're after, this next option amps it up significantly. Product number 4, Lutech 72W LED Security Light. Next, we have the Lutech 72W7500 LM LED Security Light, priced at $33.99. If you want something that's powerful and built to last, this one should be on your radar. With a staggering 7,500 lumens of brightness, this light can illuminate large areas with ease. The adjustable heads allow you to customize coverage exactly where you need it, and it features 4 lighting modes, including a manual override for constant light. The motion detection works up to 69 feet away, and it's built from durable materials with an IP65 waterproof rating, promising longevity even in harsh weather conditions. With a 4.6-star rating from nearly 2,000 reviews, it's solidly backed. Now, some people found the installation more complex compared to simpler models. But I'll be real with you. The performance you get is worth that extra effort. This is ideal for you if you want high brightness and customizable settings for your outdoor security. Skip this if you prefer user-friendly installation without much fuss. Alright, that's a heavy hitter, but what if you want something more compact? The next option might fit that bill perfectly. Product number 5. Lutech 32W LED Security Light. Finally, we have the Lutech 32W 3500 Lumen LED Security Light at $31.99. If you're looking for something more compact but still effective, this could be the one for you. Offering 3,500 lumens, this light provides ample brightness without being over the top. It features a 180-degree motion sensor that detects movement up to 69 feet away. And like the previous Lutech model, it has multiple lighting modes. The aluminum design ensures durability. And with a 4.5-star rating from over 3,300 reviews, it's a reliable choice for many. However, some users said it might not cover very large areas as effectively as higher-powered options. Here's the thing. If you're using it for smaller spaces like porches or garage entrances, it'll do just fine. This is perfect for you if you need a dependable light for smaller outdoor areas without a big investment. Skip this one if you require very high brightness for expansive spaces. To wrap up, we've covered a range of options from budget-friendly to high-performance lights. Each has its strengths, so think about what fits your needs best. So, we've looked at 5 outdoor motion sensor lights that cater to different needs and budgets. From the Defino and Mahani to the Aatech and Lutech models, there's something for everyone. Choose what best addresses your security concerns and enjoy a well-lit outdoor space.